Since you're watching this video, I guess your computer is running with an issue here as you're trying to open a program you have recently installed. This error and the program can start because api-ms-win-crt-time-l1-1-0.dll is missing from your computer. It's a very common issue and all you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow that method on your computer. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Evolution. In this very short video, I'll be fixing this error within 3 minutes. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open your favorite browser and search for the entire file named DLL and choose any results you want. In this case, I'll be choosing the first one. This is not sponsored, but I'll put the link in the description. Here you can see few download options based on the architecture and version. To know your architecture and version, click on Start and Save for system information. You can see mine is 64-bit and I'm updated to the recent Windows update, so I'll be downloading the first one. I strongly recommend you to read this page, it has other fixing method also. As the download complete, hit open. You can see two files, one is a DLL, other one is readme. To move the DLL, first open this PC, then locally C, Windows, and find a folder named System32. Here it is. This is the home of 32-bit DLLs. Then click on the zip file, drag the DLL, and drop. I have already done this, so they are asking me to replace. And click on Continue to give administrator access. Before we proceed, like check. By typing the file name, we can see the file is placed in the folder right now. So job done for 32-bit users. You can go and restart right away. Only if you are a 64-bit user like me. Open this PC one more time. Locally C, Windows, and find a folder named syswow64. This is the home of 64-bit DLL. Then same again, drag and drop. Check this one more time. Similarly, we have found the DLL, so job done for 64-bit users too. And finally, restart your computer. In extremely rare cases, if there are occurs, you need to install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and install your program again, and that will surely fix it.
And that's all. If you follow me step by steps, you'll no longer have that problems left. Please let me know how you feel about this video. And do not forget to like and subscribe.